4 steps to proper beard care are to wash, condition, maintain, and control. Let's take a look at the final step as Kayla and Nash save Chris's beard with Mountaineer brand heavy-duty balm.
And that's how I save Chris.
And that's why I love you!
Oh!
What's wrong with Chris?
I don't know. Hey, buddy, you okay?
No, I gotta shave my beard. Girlfriend says it's too messy and out of control. This is just depressing.
Don't worry, my friend.
We got just the thing.
Remember, you must first wash it, condition it, maintain it, then control it. Remove desired amount of tamer with your thumbnail. Then, rub it into the palms of your hands until it is dissolved. Apply to your beard, working through to the ends. Make sure you're getting the skin too. There you go. Then, groom and style as usual. Presto!
Chris took back control of his life. Be like Chris. Mountaineer brand. Mountaineer makes the man.